Most Amazon gadget lists show you the exact same plastic junk you'll throw away in a week. Not today. We spent weeks scraping the absolute weirdest, most futuristic corners of the internet to find 25 genuinely mind-blowing gadgets that feel like they were smuggled straight out of 2030. No filler, no sponsored garbage, just pure, unadulterated dopamine for your desk. First up, you can officially throw your massive 100-inch TV in the trash. These are the Vicher Pro XR glasses, and they low-key feel like cheating at reality. You put them on and boom, a massive, crisp 135-inch virtual screen is just floating in midair right in front of your face. Whether you're trying to play your PS5 in bed without waking anyone up, or trying to secretly watch movies on a flight while looking like a stylish secret agent, the display looks sharper than most high-end gaming monitors. Plus, it has built-in electrochromic dimming, meaning with one click you can completely black out the outside world and immerse yourself. It is an absolute game changer. Next, if your desk setup looks like a chaotic nest of tangled wires, this is the cure. This is the MFish Eank desktop power strip, but it looks less like a boring old extension cord and more like a glowing piece of cyberpunk tech. It packs high-speed USB-C ports, standard AC outlets, and a built-in digital display that shows you exactly how much power your devices are drawing in real time. It completely eliminates bulky brick chargers and turns your charging station into a literal centerpiece. And finally, to keep your setup completely ice cold without the desktop clutter, we have this ultra-thin desk fan. Most desk fans look like ugly plastic windmills, but this thing is so remarkably sleek and slim it basically disappears into your setup. It throws out a serious concentrated breeze without making a sound, and because it runs completely on USB, you can tuck it right under your monitor stand for that ultra clean minimalist aesthetic. Next up, we need to talk about wearables. Smartwatches are great, but sleeping with a massive glowing screen strapped to your wrist is beyond annoying. Enter the Ringcon Gen 2. This is a ridiculously thin aerospace grade titanium smart ring that tracks your heart rate, stress levels, and even monitors for sleep apnea with clinical level accuracy. The craziest part? It has a massive 12-day battery life. You literally just slide it on your finger, completely forget you're wearing it, and let it quietly gather insane amounts of data about your body. Best of all, unlike the competition, it never locks your own health data behind a monthly subscription fee. It's stealthy, it's waterproof, and honestly, it just looks like a premium piece of jewelry. If you've ever wanted a desktop companion, but your landlord is a nightmare, meet the IB Pocket Robot. This little guy is essentially a modern-day Tamagotchi crossed with advanced AI. It sits on your desk, recognizes your face, responds to your voice commands, and has this ridiculously expressive little LED face that actually shows real-time emotion. You can pet him, play mini games with him, or just let him chill by your keyboard and react to whatever you're doing. It's completely unnecessary, but I guarantee you will get emotionally attached to it within 5 minutes. Finally, for the DIY crowd, you have to check out this desktop laser engraver. Forget those massive industrial laser cutters that cost thousands of dollars and take up half a garage. This is a hyper-compact plug-and-play laser that fits right next to your mouse pad. You just connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, drop in any design or logo, and watch it precision burn your custom artwork into wood, leather, or even metal in a matter of minutes. It is the ultimate tool for turning literally any boring household object into custom high-end merch. We've all seen those cheap, flimsy laptop screen extenders that clip onto your lid and slowly bend your screen backward until your laptop looks like it's doing yoga. Forget them. This is the Vixton laptop screen extender, and it fixes the biggest problem with portable monitors by putting the weight on the desk, not your laptop hinge. It uses its own built-in load bracket, giving you a massive crystal clear 14-inch 1080 PIPS display that sits perfectly flush next to your setup. It's entirely plug and play, handles a full 180-degree rotation, and gives you premium desktop level stability whether you're editing video in a hotel room or just trying to secretly watch YouTube while grinding through spreadsheets at the coffee shop. Now, if you want your workspace to look incredibly clean while hiding a ton of secret utility, check out the Lamat Fixer Mini. This isn't just some basic pen holder. It's a magnetic command center that snaps right onto your desk mat. It features built-in USB-C ports to juice up your gear, a dedicated magnetic toolbar for your everyday carry items, and even an embedded NFC tag. You can literally program that tag so the second you tap your phone to your desk, it instantly launches Spotify or fires up your focus timer. Throw in the integrated sensor lighting, and it's the ultimate productivity hack disguised as minimal, high-end decor. Finally, we need to elevate the actual vibe of your room, and the GVY Starlight projector does exactly that. Do not confuse this with those cheap, blurry plastic projectors you had as a kid. This absolute beast uses precision lasers and dynamic LEDs to project a hyper-realistic, high-resolution galaxy across your entire ceiling. It syncs perfectly with the GVY Smart app, meaning you can fully customize the nebula colors, set automation schedules, or have the entire galaxy pulse and shift perfectly in time with your music. It completely transforms the atmosphere of any room in about 3 seconds. Let's be brutally honest, buying single-use canned air is an absolute scam. You use it for 5 seconds, the can instantly freezes your hand, and half the air is already gone. You need to upgrade to this high-speed compressed air duster. This thing is essentially a miniature jet engine that fits in the palm of your hand. It blasts air at over 100,000 RPM, instantly obliterating dust, crumbs, and whatever else is hiding deep inside your mechanical keyboard. It's fully rechargeable via USB-C, comes with multiple precision nozzle attachments, and honestly, blowing the dust out of your PC rig with this is one of the most satisfying feelings on earth. Speaking of keeping your gear spotless, you know that nasty layer of finger oils and smudges that permanently lives on your laptop screen? Stop wiping it with your dirty t-shirt. This is the Sweep and Swipe laptop cleaner. It's this incredibly clever pocket-sized gadget that has a retractable, ultra-soft brush on one end for sweeping the dust out of your trackpad and keys. Flip it over and you get a premium, specially shaped microfiber polishing pad that leaves your screen looking literally factory new. It's so small you can just toss it in your backpack and completely forget about it until you need it. Now, if you're someone who actually plays intensive games on your phone, or just aggressively doom scrolls while sitting out in the sun, your phone battery is probably cooking itself to death. Enter the magnetic phone cooler. This isn't just a basic fan blowing hot air around. It has a built-in thermoelectric cooling plate that snaps right onto the back of your MagSafe iPhone or Android. It literally gets ice cold to the touch in seconds, dropping your phone's temperature fast and stopping thermal throttling instantly. Plus, it's decked out with customizable RGB lighting, because obviously you want your phone looking like a high-end gaming rig. Let's talk everyday carry. If you are still walking around with a massive, overstuffed leather wallet that's literally throwing your spine out of alignment, it is time for a severe upgrade. Meet the Titanium EDC wallet. This isn't just a card holder, it's a piece of indestructible tactical gear. It's precision CNC machined from solid titanium, making it absurdly lightweight but tough enough to survive the actual apocalypse. It holds your cards with the satisfying mechanical tension system, features full RFID blocking so your data stays completely locked down, and it's so ultra slim you will barely even feel it in your front pocket. Now, if you're someone who actually remembers things better when you physically write them down, but you also want everything instantly backed up to the cloud, you need this reusable notebook. Here is the magic trick. You write on these specialized synthetic pages with the included pen, and the ink dries instantly, feeling exactly like premium paper. But once you use the companion app to perfectly scan and blast your notes directly to Google Drive, Notion, or Slack, you just wipe the page with a damp cloth and the ink completely vanishes. You can reuse the exact same notebook infinitely, totally eliminating paper waste while keeping that tactile analog feel. To completely dial in your phone setup, you need to ditch those cheap, sticky plastic phone grips that permanently ruin your case. You need this magnetic ring stand. It uses an incredibly strong magnetic array to snap perfectly onto the back of your MagSafe phone or case. Not only does it give you a super secure, drop-proof grip while texting, but the rigid dual hinge design folds out into a heavy-duty kickstand that holds your phone at virtually any angle, vertical or horizontal. And when you want to use a wireless charger or mount it to your car, you just pop it right off. If you're still using the cheap, bulky plastic power bricks that came in the box with your phone 5 years ago, you are actively doing it wrong. You need to upgrade your desk with this incredibly sleek Anker charging station. Instead of a massive, ugly strip taking up half your workspace, this is a hyper-compact GAN-powered command module. It literally packs enough wattage to hypercharge your MacBook, your iPad, and your phone simultaneously at maximum speed without breaking a sweat. It's got AC outlets cleverly hidden on the back for your monitor power cords, and blazing fast USB-C ports on on the front for your daily tech. It takes a massive rat's nest of cables and shrinks it down to an aesthetic palm-sized powerhouse. Next, we all know the absolute worst way to use a laptop is hunching over it on your desk like a goblin for 8 hours a day. It is destroying your posture. You need a proper heavy-duty adjustable laptop stand. I'm not talking about those cheap plastic ones that wobble every time you type. This is precision milled from solid aluminum, featuring incredibly stiff dual-axis hinges that let you elevate your screen exactly to eye level. It acts as a massive heat sink to keep your laptop running ice cold during heavy tasks, and it leaves the perfect amount of hollow space underneath to stash your mechanical keyboard when you're done working. Now, if you have severe ADHD and constantly forget about your Zoom meetings because your schedule is buried under a dozen browser tabs, this smart digital calendar is an absolute lifesaver. Instead of relying on push notifications that you instantly swipe away, this is a dedicated, beautifully framed, high-contrast display that sits right on your desk or mounts to your wall. It auto-syncs seamlessly with your Google, Apple, or Outlook calendars over Wi-Fi, and constantly displays your daily timeline, weather, and upcoming tasks at a glance. It turns your chaotic schedule into an always-on piece of minimalist smart home art, so you literally never miss an appointment again. Let's be real, if you eat at your desk, your mechanical keyboard is secretly a graveyard for chip crumbs and dust. Instead of aggressively shaking your keyboard upside down like a madman, you need this mini desk vacuum cleaner. It literally looks like a tiny futuristic hockey puck, but you just hit the power button and sweep it across your desk pad. It instantly vacuums up rogue crumbs, eraser shavings, and pet hair with surprising suction power. It's fully USB rechargeable, fits right in the palm of your hand, and completely resets your workstation to looking pristine without you having to drag out the massive household Dyson. Speaking of keeping things pristine, let's talk about a deeply cursed fact. Your toothbrush is just sitting out in the open bathroom air, collecting microscopic bacteria every single day. Gross. You absolutely need the Bitvey toothbrush cleaner. You just pop your manual or electric toothbrush into this sleek wall-mounted pod when you're done brushing, and it automatically blasts the bristles with medical-grade UVC light, obliterating 99.9% of germs in just a few minutes. It runs on a rechargeable battery that lasts for an entire month on a single charge. Honestly, once you experience the peace of mind of a perfectly sanitized toothbrush every morning, you will never go back. Now, to instantly upgrade the aesthetic of your bedroom or office, throw away your boring desk light and grab this smart LED table lamp. This isn't just a lamp, it's basically interactive modern art. It features full RGBIC technology, meaning it can display multiple incredibly vibrant colors at the exact same time to create smooth, flowing gradients. You can control the entire vibe through an app on your phone, set it to simulate a natural, warm sunrise to help you wake up easier, or even sync it to your PC so the lights aggressively pulse and react to your gameplay in real time. Finally, if you want to unlock a hidden superpower, or if you just want to scare yourself to absolute death the next time you stay in a hotel room, you need this UV flashlight with LCD display. This isn't a cheap novelty toy, it's a high-powered ultraviolet scanner. It instantly illuminates hidden stains, dried pet messes, and organic residue that are completely invisible to the naked eye. The real kicker is the built-in LCD screen on the handle, which displays your exact remaining battery percentage so you never get left stranded in the dark. Use it to check for counterfeit cash, inspect your apartment, or go full CSI on your surroundings. Just be warned, you cannot unsee what a blacklight reveals. Finally, if you travel a lot for work or weddings, or you honestly just despise using an old school ironing board at home, you need this compact travel clothes steamer. We've all been there. You unpack your bag at a hotel and your favorite shirt looks like a crumpled piece of loose leaf paper. Instead of risking a rusty, outdated hotel iron that will probably scorch your clothes, this pocket-sized powerhouse heats up in under 30 seconds and blasts out massive, continuous sheets of steam. It completely melts wrinkles out of jeans, suits, or delicate fabrics instantly, and it folds down so small it barely takes up any space next to your dop kit. It's cheap, it saves you an absolute ton of time, and it keeps you looking clean no matter where you roll up. If you've ever tried to hang a shelf or a gallery wall only to step back and realize your entire setup looks completely crooked, stop guessing. You need this 4-in-1 laser level with line laser, instead of wrestling with a massive old school bubble level and a pencil. This compact gadget projects a bright, razor-sharp laser line across your entire wall. It guarantees perfect precision for hanging pictures, alignment, or tiling. handling. Plus, it crams a built-in physical tape measure and standard bubble levels right into the chassis. It basically turns a painful two-person calibration job into a flawless solo task that takes about 5 seconds. Now let's move outdoors, because setting up holiday lights or backyard patio tech is an absolute nightmare the second it starts raining. Enter the Toddy waterproof outdoor electrical box. Most people just wrap their outdoor extension cords in plastic grocery bags and pray for the best, which is a massive fire hazard waiting to happen. This heavy-duty enclosure features a specialized rubberized seal that clamps down tightly on your cables, keeping multiple plugs and power strips bone dry even in a total downpour. It is an absolute necessity if you want to run outdoor security cameras, string lights, or smart plugs without frying your home's electrical panel. And that wraps up our look at 25 incredible Amazon gadgets that are actually worth your hard-earned cash. If you want to elevate your desk setup, upgrade your everyday carry, or just make your daily life a whole lot easier, every single thing we covered today is linked down in the description box below. Do me a massive favor, drop a comment right now and tell me which of these 25 gadgets was your absolute favorite, and which one you think is a total skip. If you got even a little bit of value out of this video, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss the absolute best tech drops on the internet. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.